Good enough.
Thank you. Like and subscribe. Good job.
Welcome back to the channel.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We just done a mail run and we had a company called Thermomate reach out to us and want us to do a review on one of their little water heaters they have. This thing is actually, it holds it's like an instant on-demand type water heater, but it holds 1.3 gallons of water. Which, that ain't a lot, but this thing's designed to go like under your zinc or like in a shop or something like that. Anyway, we'll leave links to everything down in the description if anybody wants to check them out. But let's see what's in the box. Styrofoam. We have the water heater. Okay. It's a pressure relief valve. And then the mounting hardware. Okay. Alright. Set that over there for us. Yeah, it comes with a pressure release valve. You have to put it in yourself. And here's the mounting hardware for it. Here comes the user's manual. Taking out the plastic. Okay. There's what you got. This will hang on the wall and where you want it around your faucet or zinc or whatever. I got a tape measure. Let's see how big it is. It's about 9.5 inches wide, deep. And about to the top of these, it's about 12 inches. So, and wide this way, it's about 11.5. Yeah, it's just a standard. That's probably it's either 1/2 inch or 3/4. It's screw on. It'll be plumbed with pegs when we install it. And then right here's your dial. It's got cold all the way to max heat right here. We're on our way down here to a friend's house. I'm going to install this water heater for him in his shop. It's going to be an undisclosed location. Anyway, we're going to get this water heater installed for him. It's in a little washroom that he has in his shop. When he gets to working, you know, he'd go in there and wash his hands, stuff like that. He's a good friend of ours. It's rainy, gloomy, perfect day to work inside. We'll get this thing hooked up. If anybody's interested in this water heater, I'll leave links in the description. We'll be right back, guys, and we'll be in the shop installing the water heater. Basically, all you got to do is going with PEX. Is 1/2 inch to a PEX fitting here on each side. You got your hot and out, and then this right here comes in the box like I showed. This right here is the pressure relief valve. It's 3/4, so we've already installed all that. We're gonna take it over there and we're gonna hook it up. We're gonna go against the wall, so it'll be 9.25 on the wall. Oh yeah, it's just right on this one. I don't mind working with PEX. Now actually, anything that don't have PEX in it, I always jerk it up and put it in like the house up here. I tore it out, put all PEX in there. Go for it. I need about 19 inches. What we're doing is we're just trying to hug the wall with it. We're gonna go against the wall, over and then down. It's pretty simple to install. I'll get it all dry fit and then I'll take it off and clamp it all together. Now, these are pretty much ready to crimp on. I like it. This thing right here is probably about one of the best tools I believe I've ever seen. I mean, if you do any plumbing whatsoever, that right there, you know how much time that would have saved me right there. I'll stick it back on there. Yep. It's good if I can find this on their Amazon store. I'll leave a link to it. There right there. That's really, really good. I like that. Okay, now this one's all clamped. Every one of those clamped. I'll take this one off. Clamp those. Be a little easier to take it off and do it. Just put them back on. Alright, we just plugged it up and turned the water on. It's heating. Goes from cold, 1 to 125, and max. We got it set on 125. We'll see what it does. Well done, just putting a couple clamps, straps on it to hold it to the wall. I mean, it ain't going nowhere. We'll see how long it takes it to heat up. Pretty nice. It holds 1.3 gallons of water. Already getting hot. It's already getting hot. He already had the CPVC lines already. So we're just converting it to PEX. Okay. It's down so cold that light does come on. It'll kick on and raise the temperature. It was on for like 10-15 minutes and it already heated up. And then when this kicks out, I think it's up to temperature, the light when it goes off.
Yeah.
Yes, it's off now, so it's 125 degrees already. So it's right there.
Huh.
That's pretty cool.
Turn it all the way. Back on.
Yep.
Huh.
That's pretty cool.
That's pretty fast.
Yeah.
And they call it slow recovery.
Alright guys, that's the Thermomate water heater installed there. Alrighty guys, that was the install of the Thermomate water heater. That thing holds 1.3 gallons. I don't know if I ever said that as it was installing it, but we just got it installed and we're heading back home. It's rainy and muddy, so we're gonna go play in the mud going home. But anyway, we'll leave links down in the description for the water heater. It seemed to work really, really good and it got hot really fast. It's perfect for anybody needing a small water heater. If you ain't done so yet, please hit that like and subscribe button. And like I said, we'll leave links to everything down in the description. And oh yeah, that Ryobi tool that I was using, that was really cool. If I can find that in our Amazon store, I'll leave links to that too, because that I really liked. I'll have one of those things if I do any more plumbing work. Anyway guys, catch you on the next one.